Hi, my name is Steve with LRM Leasing, and today I'm going to show you how to pull codes off a dash on a Freightliner Cascadia 2014 to 2017. Where we're going to start is we're going to go to the steering wheel. On the right hand side there'll be a plus and minus sign. And then you're going to look on the dash and you're going to stroll until you see park menu, press the down to the right arrow. And once you see that, you're going to move over to the right side of the dash, and there's a button that says down to the right. Well, actually it's an arrow indicating it, and then right below it, menu back. You're going to press the arrow button, and then it'll show up a different part of the screen. You're going to stroll down by hitting the minus until you see diagnostics. Once you hit diagnostics, then you're going to go back, hit the arrow button, and it's going to tell you a brief description of what the problem is and a code. And now the great thing about being an LRM customer is that you can call down to the shop, ask for myself or another technician, tell you what it could be, and then guide you to a proper shop to get it properly fixed.